Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and yeah, I know, man. I'm late. Better late than never, right? Even though that ain't even remotely close to how I work on YouTube these days. I'm actually pretty hyped for this, even though I got this thing on Saturday and today's Monday, the day I was supposed to get this, but it came early, I guess. Today, we're gonna go ahead and finally unbox the Galaxy Z Fold3. As a dude, I got the original Fold, the Z Fold2, and like 39 Z Flips upstairs. So y'all know what we gotta do. Let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so we're back here again at the legendary unboxing table, making business moves. Yes, sir. You know what time it is. Now, right out the gate, I know it's going to be some questions in the comments talking about, oh, now you got the Z Fold 3. You going to freeze this in water too like you did with the Z Fold 2? I mean, I ain't going to front to you, man. It's in consideration. So here's the thing. Check this out. If I were to do a Z Fold 3 water freeze test like I did with the Z Fold 2, even though this is water resistant now, I will wait for the Z Flip 3 to get here because I did order it. It's on the way right now, but I don't know if it's going to get here before or after Christmas. But I will wait for that to get here so I can do it at the same time, like a Z Flip 3 versus Z Fold 3 freeze test, you know what I mean? Yeah, I know, I'm crazy as hell, but that's why y'all subscribe to this channel, ain't it? But yeah, Z Fold 3, I'm really hyped for this thing, man, because it's actually gonna be a pretty dope phone. So at first when I saw it, I was like, ain't no way I'm finna get that thing. That thing is garbage. I saw it because of the under display camera and other things like that, but now we're gonna go ahead and actually check this out and give it like a fair chance. That is, if I don't freeze it first, but yeah, we'll see. But alright, first up, checking out the box on the Z Fold 3. As you can see here, this box is mad slim this year, especially compared to the Fold and Fold 2 boxes. They really shrink this thing down. That's because they got rid of the charger and all that now. But they're doing the same thing that they did with the S21 and Apple did with the iPhone 12 and 13. They said it's to help the planet and all that, but that's just BS. We already know that. Like, that ain't even true. They're trying to money pinch as much as they can. Like, let's just be real here. And I'm the Samsung dude. Like, come on now. I got the Galaxy Watch and all that. But checking out the front of the box, as you can see here, we got the Z logo here in this two-tone design. And if you go ahead and shift around the box, you can see that there's different colors around here, like the other boxes from the other years. At the bottom of the box, we got Galaxy Z Fold 3. On the left side, we got Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. On the right side of the box, we got the Samsung logo. And just looking around the box, really, it ain't really that special. Like, we do have some text here on the back that shows us what's inside the box, but we're gonna see here in a minute anyway. So now it's time to go ahead and bust up into this box. Let's go ahead and get into this. We got two pieces of tape to go ahead and cut. So here's the first one, and here's the second one. All right, bet. Let's go ahead and get up into this mess. So Z Fold 3, letting that out right there. Just like that, quick and easy. Like I said, it's a slim box, so it's really not gonna take that much effort. But all right, so we got the Z Fold 3 here. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of here. And just looking at that real quick, we got this plastic wrap on here, and that's the color I got. The color just looked clean, man. Let's go ahead and take this off real quick. Bang! Just like that, yeah, boy, we got the Z Fold 3 in the building. Let's go. All right, so as you can see, I'm really hyped for this, man. So, man, this thing look clean. I'm loving the design on the Z Fold 3 so far. Like the shifting colors and everything on the back. Oh, yeah. That's it. That's hidden right there. As you can see there, Samsung Galaxy. It don't even say Z Fold 3 anymore. And like as you can see there, while it's booting up, it doesn't just show you the Samsung logo. Yeah, they changed that all up this year. And as you can see there, it's booting up. And well, that was pretty quick actually. All right, bet. Let's go and get into the rest of the box real quick first though. All right, so as you can see here, we have pretty much nothing in here. That's pretty much the whole box. But let's go and bust this thing open real quick. And as you can see, we have our Type-C to Type-C cable. So it's a decent length. So, I mean, I'm feeling that. But we got a quick start guide and stuff here, so y'all know this is coming. Y'all know we gotta do with this. Let's throw it to the side. And then we got a SIM card tool here. So all right, bet. That was the whole box. You saw how short that was, right? There's literally nothing up inside the box anymore. But all right, so here's the Z Fold 3. The only thing that seems to matter in this video since there's nothing up in the box. Cutting this on real quick, and first off, before I even cut this on, as you can see here, we can't see the camera, and I think that's a proximity sensor. Let's go and cut this on real quick. And as you can see like there's that under display camera right there. It's pretty noticeable, yeah. I mean, that's mainly the reason why I protested against his phone is because of that under display camera. I thought that just looked ugly. But at the same time, I guess you have the hole punch here with the Z Fold 2, but this can be more distracting. I don't know. I have to figure it out. But anyway, looking on the right side here, as you can see, we got our power button / fingerprint scanner, we got a volume rocker, and then we got a 5G millimeter wave antenna. At the top, we got our microphones, we got our speaker. Let me go and fold this real quick. As you can see there, we got two microphones on this side, we got a microphone on this side, and then we got our speakers. On the left side, we just got a SIM card ejector. At the bottom, we got a speaker, we got a microphone, and then we got a USB-C port. At the back, we got our 3 cameras, we got a flash, we got this matte design here, as you can see. So for the first time, I'm actually feeling this matte design. Like, usually I don't like matte designs, but this is pretty decent. We got some info here at the bottom, and as you can see here, we have our hinge, so pretty dope looking. On the front, we got our cover display with an actual hole punch here. And then as you can see here, unfolding it, we got our screen, we got our caps and all that. Yeah, pretty usual business. So now at this point, all we gotta do is just go through the setup, and I'll get back to y'all. Alright, y'all, so we got this thing set up. So it says take care of your phone, all that there. I forgot this thing actually takes an S Pen. Oh, I forgot about that. So I got to go ahead and get an S Pen for the fold. So it says you're all set up. Let's go and hit our finish, and bang, just like that. Yeah, boy, we got our Z Fold3. So I got this fold in 256 gig. I was going to get 512 gigs, but they only got that in black, and y'all know how I feel about black phones. But man, this phone is clean, bro. I'm really feeling it. So let's go ahead and get my Z Fold2 over here. By the way, you might be surprised if you don't watch my channel. You might be surprised that the Z Fold2 actually ain't my main phone. The original Fold is my main phone. So I mean, as you can see here, I even got the background with the beach and, you know, the lighthouse and everything like that. So this is my phone. This is my main phone that I use every single day that's connected to my watch. I still don't think I'm going to be switching from the original Fold, because if the Z Fold2 couldn't switch me, I don't know why the Z Fold3 could. There's actually been a couple times though where I wanted to switch from the Z Fold2, but I just couldn't do it. I just had to go back to the original Fold because it's just like better for me. Anybody that had an original Fold when it first came out, you know what I'm talking about. But all right, side by side comparison. Z Fold2 versus Z Fold3 if the Z Fold2 would stop turning off the Z Fold3. We got Z Fold3 on the left side, Z Fold2 on the right side. So as you can see here, I mean, with the aspect ratio, there's really nothing different here. It's pretty much the same exact screen size. And also, I didn't even really get to point this out, but we do have a screen protector installed on the Z Fold3. You just can't really see it. And the screen protector is way better on the Z Fold3. So thank you, Samsung, for that. I don't have to take this off like I did with the Z Fold2. But closing this up real quick, as you can see here, let's go ahead and get this thing turned on real quick and go back to the dialer. I mean, really visually, there's not that much different from the Z Fold2, besides the fact that this has more curvature to it from the Z Fold2. So I'm really feeling that, honestly. And then now let's go and get the original Fold compared to the Z Fold3. So this is Z Fold3 versus original Galaxy Fold. Yeah, I can't hold y'all on that. The screen does look way better on the Z Fold3, but just with the original Fold, it's just hard to switch from it. Even with the Z Fold2, it looks way better, but I don't know, man. This original Fold here, something special to me. But alright, y'all, I'm gonna go and close this video off by saying this. So if you buy a Z Fold3 from Samsung right now, you actually get a free wireless charger and Galaxy Buds 2 with the color of your choosing. So in my opinion, that's a dope deal. And on top of that, you actually get a discount, I think, with the Z Fold3 with the holiday deals and all that. So if you buy a Z Fold3, now will probably be the best time to get it. The Z Fold4 won't come out until like maybe September of next year. So I don't think you have to worry about like, oh, I'll already be outdated. Like, you don't have to worry about that. Just get the Z Fold3 now. But all right, y'all, let me go and get up out of here and unbox these two things right here. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and give this video a like. And if you really liked it, go and subscribe. But go and follow me on my social media at Tech on Instagram and Twitter, and Facebook, but Instagram and Twitter is the most active. And let me know what y'all think about the Z Fold3. So let me go ahead and do a fold here on camera. Snap, there we go. So that was actually my second folding time of the Z Fold3. And yeah, I'm really honestly a big fan of this design here. So like with the Z Fold2, like, let me go and take off this case real quick. I'm gonna make this quick, but even though the design looks okay, I wasn't really the biggest fan of it. I still like the original Fold design better. Like looking at the Z Fold2 here in the original Fold, you can't beat that, man. Now, I don't want to flip it around to show you that, but you already know how that is, but still, like, you get the point. And this is where I cut it, y'all. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one then. Peace out.